guys, welcome back. I have another nail art tutorial. This one is super short and simple that I'm going to show you. It says Fall Swirl Design. So the colors that I'm using today are from the new OPI Muse of Milan collection, and the polish that I'm featuring is this blue one, Drama At La Scala. I'm also using Suzi Talks with her hands, and my Italian is a little bit rusty. I'm using my little bit larger Winstonia nail art brush. It's different from the one that I typically use all the time just because I'm doing a little thicker swirl here. So you're going to start at the bottom and swirl up to the top and make it as thick as you want, and then you can come in with the blue color, same brush, and just add on top of that. So I did have the gray polish to begin with at the base of the nail just because that's the lightest color, and that's what I usually like to do, is put the lightest color first, and then I'm just going to fill this in. And then you can come back in with your small brush and clean up any lines and smooth anything out. I had to get the angle a little bit better on this swirl here, and that is your finished look. So you're going to come in now with your fast dry top coat. I'm using Glisten and Glow. I love this top coat so much. And that is it. Super simple. Let me know if you guys try this. If you do recreate this design, use the hashtag inspired by Go Polished in Instagram so I can see it. Thanks so much for joining me, and we'll see you next time. Bye.